So, one lesson that I've taught countless times in my math class is dealing with quadratic equations and finding the x-intercept of the parabola. So, I'm just going to walk through the steps, and I actually think Desmos is a great tool to help students visualize it who maybe have a hard time understanding what it is that we're looking for and how to find it. So, a practice problem that I often give my kids is y equals x squared minus 5x plus 6. And so to solve this, very simple. All we do is we make y equal to 0 to find the x-intercepts. So 0 equals x squared minus 5x plus 6. And so we're going to factor this. And we get x times x is x squared. And negative 2 times negative 3 gives us positive 6. And when you add them together, they give you negative 5. Right? So we're going to separate these two. X minus 2 equals 0. And x minus 3 equals 0. And now these are our two equations for 0. We just have to solve for x. So plus 2, x equals 2, plus 3, x equals 3. Right, so my zeros, and I always tell my students, they have to be coordinates, right? We're working on a graph. And so Desmos helps them see that we're on a graph and what these coordinates actually mean. So the first coordinate is 2, 0, and the second coordinate is 3, 0. So the beauty with Desmos is you can just type in any equation and the entire graph will pop up. So on my left-hand side over here, I'm going to go ahead and type in our quadratic equation. So we have the original one right here. Y equals x squared. You see we already have a parabola. Now we're basically going through the transformation. So minus 5x plus 6. Y equals x squared minus 5x plus 6. And so if we come down to the graph and zoom in, we can clearly see that the x-intercepts, which is where our parabola crosses the x-axis, right? This x-axis is this line right here. If we zoom in, we can see that our answer is correct, right? We have 3, 0, check, and 2, 0, check. And the beauty of this is that this is simply a check for the students. You know, it does kind of give them the answer. However, the work is the important part, so they have to construct the work anyway. That's what they're going to get tested on or quizzed on or whatever the assessment is for that week. So all of this still holds plenty of value, but they can at the very least check their work and visualize what it is that they're solving for in our class.